In this video, I want to talk about how you can get an invoice on AliExpress. Now this is pretty simple, guys. There are two methods to do this. What you want to do is either on your phone or on your PC, log into your account and go to My Orders. Inside of here, you want to find the order that you want to get it from, click on it, and then you want to click on Order Details. Inside of there, you should be able to press download button and you'll be able to download PDF of an invoice. Now, if this is not available, it's probably some VAT issues or if you didn't pay it or stuff like this. So the way that you can do this, if you don't see it in there, is you can click on the order and you'll be able to contact the seller from in there. Then simply ask them to send the invoice and they will do it. So that is basically how it's done. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.